Okay, so this is my website. It's called Awesome Astronomy with Miss Emma. And right here I just have a little greeting message, welcoming everyone to my website, and then a little animation of outer space and descriptions about each of the pages on my website, as well as embedded links to each of those pages, which I don't really think is that necessary because if you click here, it'll just take you to the next tab and so forth. But the next tab is my biography page. It's got a little picture of me and just a little description of myself, who I am, where I'm from, what I'm majoring in, my experience with children, what I like to do in my free time, and then yeah, so that's my biography page. Oh, I forgot to mention, at the bottom down here is going to be my tech blog, which we can click on that. We can go over to that. And this is just a couple of my blog posts. Yeah, the first one's just a description again. The second one's a blog post about copyright. The third one's a blog post about what wikis are. Anyways, and then my contact information, my email, and my revision date. And then we go over to resources, and I have a pretty thorough list of links, all astronomy related. Here we can make it larger. Yeah, so just a bunch of links from the website Digo, all different stuff about astronomy, outer space, factual information, and so forth. And then let's go back. On my teacher's choice page, this was just something that I wanted to do. Just a little personal choice, something fun, something light. So I found this page on NASA that is 16 extreme facts about space. It's just a little picture document. I think it's interesting. I thought it was fun. Students might like to just, look at something fun facts. Okay, moving on to the tech project section. So these are all my different tech projects. So first is gonna be, hang on. Oops. So first we have a slideshow here. It's just some pictures of the universe and, just information about the solar system and so forth. Each page has a little fact, so I guess that's also something fun for kids. And then going on to my digital story, this is a YouTube link of a roughly 10-minute video I made going in depth on a tour of the solar system with pictures, closed captions, all of that. Then I have my mobile app evaluation. I did mine on the app Flipgrid. So once again, this is just a PowerPoint presentation, just explaining what the app is and why it's useful in the classroom. And, let's see. Okay. And then we have my personal learning environment, my personal learning network, and my chart down here. And then we have a website evaluation. I evaluated NASA's website. And this is just a form describing if the website should be evaluated or should be used properly, if it's factual, if it's reliable for students to use. And obviously it is, it's a government website. And then over here in the evaluation section, I have my Apple teacher certifications down here. And obviously the screencast section will be this video whenever I'm done with it. So before taking this class, I probably wouldn't even know where to begin making a website. So as you can see, I'm in the page where you make the website, the Google Slides, and all of this over here, all of these little buttons would have completely overwhelmed me. And honestly, I thought it was a lot easier than I expected to make, and I think it turned out pretty well. Intending it for students who want to learn about astronomy, I think it really covers all the bases, just basic knowledge, basic information, a little bit in depth. I definitely think I could go more in depth. I could do a lot more with this website if I were actually teaching this to students. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. I try to keep it fun, try to keep it simple, interesting, engaging, neat, and organized. Yeah, I mean, I think I did a good job for making a website for the first time, obviously, with some help. But yeah, I really enjoyed making it. If I had the time, I would like to go more in depth on it. Like I would just make it a lot cooler. But yeah, I enjoyed the project.